Hello, welcome to making Java everyone's cup of coffee. So today we are going to learn the first program. First program like hello world, printing your name and understanding the basic structure of Java programming. So first we will use the online Java compiler. Last video I have shown you have to install offline software like BlueJ, and I have given few other option also, but I prefer BlueJ because it is easy for the beginners. But today I'm going to show you first using the online compiler. There are a lot of online compilers are over there. I prefer program is online compiler. So we will go to the, if we just write over here in the Google Java online compiler and then you search, and then you will get this search, and then you click on online Java compiler. So this is our screen. Here we will do the program. Now you can see two panels are over there, left hand side and the right hand side. The left hand side I am going to write the program and output we will get over here. I will take a separate class to understand what is program, what is high level language, what is low level language, and why compilers is required. But today is the first day. We want to learn programming, we want to learn from the scratch. So just we will start doing a little bit of programming only. So you can see over here the Java program. In the Java program, everything we write inside a class block. You can see the class main and the curly brace start and the curly brace close. And then you can write public static void main, and then again curly brace start, curly brace close. You can do like this, not a problem. And then this particular line is responsible to get any output. Like if I want to print something, I have to use this system out of println. So it is a output statement. So if I run this program, you will see try program is pro, because we have written this one inside this. But if I write it over here like our program series like making Java everyone's cup of coffee, then this will come. So it should be in the one line, and then I am clicking on run. Okay, it is showing error. So in Java programming, if we are not following the grammar, there will be error. Whatever we want to print, we have to print within the quotes. So you can see over here, making Java everyone's cup of coffee. I have started the double quotes, but I have not closed it. So I need to close it. So that is the error it is showing, that unclosed string literal. So just I will give the double quotes over here and then run. Yeah, you can see this one. Okay. So if we want to print one more line over here, like if I want to print it for twice, copy it, or you can type it. You click on run. It is printing twice. So if as many times we want, if I want to print it, then I will keep printing this one. There are something else called loop. We can use that one later. Now little bit of over here, like I'm writing over here system out.println. Now what is this println and how this is coming in line? Suppose I want to print this making Java everyone's cup of coffee in the same line only, that not in the different line. Then what I will do is that I will remove this ln. This part I will remove. If I remove this, it will print in one line. You can say this one. So ln means new line. So if I want to print something, so first it will print making Java everyone's cup of coffee, and after that the cursor will go in the next line. So if I just add it over here now, the ln, the cursor will go to the next line and then it is printing. I can change it over here. I can write my name is over there. My name is Indrani. So I can write over here, uh, like I can write making Java everyone's cup of coffee by Indrani. So I can do that and I can run it. So this is a very simple program. I have not explained all these things in detail, but we have learnt about two statements. One is the system out.println and one is system out.print. Once again, if I just write system out.print, then it will print making Java everyone's cup of coffee hyphen by Indrani, because this is not going. You may ask, then why this ln? Now this ln is for the next line. After by Indrani, if I want to print something, then it will come. So run this. So now same thing, if I want to do in the blue jay, how we will do that one? That I will show in our next video. Thank you. Hope you understand. Please put comment over here so I can improve my video, and whatever doubt you have, if you want to give me any program to complete that one, explain you that one, that also I can do. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.